An asthma attack can happen when an asthmatic child is exposed to asthma triggers. Triggers differ from person to person. It is crucial that you know what triggers your asthma attacks and learn how to avoid them. Respiratory infections such as colds and flu can trigger asthma attacks. Thus, it is important that you wash your hands before and after eating, after playing, and after using the bathroom to reduce the risk of infections. It may also be good to get a flu shot annually. Sensitive and inflamed airways can be easily irritated by irritants in the air. These irritants include cigarette smoke, air pollution, dust and chemical vapors, such as those from air fresheners, paints, and pesticides. Parents, friends, and relatives of children with asthma should try to stop smoking and should never smoke around a person with asthma. Another major trigger is exercise. Some people may develop symptoms when they are exercising or playing. However, this does not mean that you should not exercise or play, because you should be as active as you possibly can by following your doctor's instructions on medications to achieve good control of your asthma. Many people with asthma have allergies, which can trigger asthma symptoms. A common allergen is dust mite. Dust mites are tiny organisms that can be found in mattresses, pillows, blankets, carpets, and even soft toys. To prevent an asthma attack, wash your blankets, bed sheets, and pillowcases in very hot water at least once a week. Also, ensure that your bedroom is clean and free from soft toys and clutter. Create a barrier between yourself and the dust mites by using dust-proof mattress covers, bed sheets, and pillowcases. Cockroaches and their droppings may trigger asthma attacks. Keep the house free of cockroaches by vacuuming or mopping floor regularly. Also, food should be stored in airtight containers, and the trash should be disposed of properly. Mold that grow on damp items such as tiles, sinks, tubs, and shower curtains can also trigger asthma attacks. Keep mold away by washing the surfaces with soap and water. Keep the windows open when showering and cooking to help keep the areas dry. If you have pets such as cats and dogs, keep them away from the bedrooms and furniture and give them a wash at least once a week. This is because pets' fur and saliva can trigger asthma attacks. You might also want to stay away from flowers due to the pollen. Any activity that makes you breathe harder can trigger asthma. When you are angry, excited, or upset, your breathing changes. These can also trigger asthma. In most cases, the cause of asthma is not known. Although asthma cannot be cured, it can be controlled by knowing the warning signs of an asthma attack, by staying away from the triggers, and by following your doctor's advice. When you control your asthma, you will be able to sleep better, can take part in physical activities, will be able to keep the symptoms away, will not miss school, and do not have to visit the hospital. We would like to thank the following for their contribution.